Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Michael in Ohio on the Superstar SS-158edx. Michael, got you ready to go, bud? You chose the standard tuning alignment, and we done just that. So gonna be short and sweet here. 25 watt slug, 2.5 watt carrier. Show you average watt swing. Hello, 14 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello. 50 watts exactly. All right, Michael, we're gonna get this out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Boom, boom.
Get wise and get truckerized today.